Little chipmunk. It's pretty brave because the dog is right inside the shade thing. So last night as the sun was going down, right through that fence over there is where we spotted the moose. The mama and the baby, and then the male was down a little bit lower. So we are on the lookout this evening to see if we can see them again, see if they come out when the sun's going down. I got a little bit more time. It's definitely cooling off now. It's not near as hot. We got out the shade tent today because it did get like upper 70s.
Miss Mary Mac, Mac, just in black, black with silver buns all down her back. She asked her mother for 15 cents to see the elephants jump over the fence. fence. They jumped so high, 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 they touched the sky, sky, and they never came back to the 4th of July.
All right, it is our last day here at this campsite. Look at this kind of freaky looking storm. It's in the morning too. Usually the storms aren't this time of day, but it's a big thing. You can see the edge of the clouds here, and the sun's just starting to get up. And this is off to the west where we have nothing. And that's where we're heading today. We're going to keep on heading west and go up into the mountains even higher. So I'm doing a few cleanup things. I have my rug out here in the sun to let it dry, and I'm going to get my shovel out here. Alright, this is the best camp tool. It's my little army shovel, and I'm going to go on poop detail and make sure I get all of the dog's poop buried. She's got big poops, and we don't want to leave those behind. Luckily, she poops usually all in one spot. So I'm going to go around the campsite, make sure I have everything picked up and cleaned up before we leave.